Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start in the Google Drive or Google Forms app on your phone. Sign in so responses map to your account. Once signed in, tap the plus new form or pick a template and give the form a clear title and description. Now add your first questions. Choose question types, set required toggles, and add options where needed. Make sure to save progress automatically. You can preview frequently to confirm layout and question order before proceeding to settings and sharing steps. Once your questions are ready, open settings to control who responds and how. Toggle collect email addresses, limit to one response, or allow response editing. Choose whether to make it a quiz. Then customize the confirmation message so respondents know next steps. To share, tap send, switch to the link icon, and generate the URL. You can shorten the link for readability or copy the full URL to the clipboard. Make sure you test the link in a private browser to confirm permissions and access. You're ready to distribute. Paste the copied link into messages, email, or any app where your audience will see it. If embedding on mobile web, use the provided iframe or shortened link. Once done, monitor responses in the Responses tab and export to Sheets if needed. If someone reports they can't open it, check form sharing settings and whether sign-in is required. Alternatively, ask them to try incognito or clear cache. A single permissions toggle usually fixes most access problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.